afternoon. I would say that this program, Learning How to Learn, has been inculcated so many things in our teachers. First of all, I would like to thank our revered principal sir. He personally attended this program, then he brought the same into the school. So now all my teachers are the part of this program, and the same they are using in the classes. We study technologies which they are doing it on the children, and we are getting our miracle results out of that. So I would tell the other schools also to follow that program in their school, which will bring definitely a modern change in their school, which I feel like. Thank you.